Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 12 by 12 inch canvas, and I put my glasses down. Darn, there's a spare pair right there, that'll work. I've got some Meeden paint with like a hair's breadth of water added to it. I want a puddle in the middle that I can add my colors to, and then I'm going to swipe out and see what happens after that. Both the black and the white are Meeden. I'll worry about my edges afterwards. I am going to indulge myself in some Hot Orchid from Color Art. Also some Chrysocolla. Let's make sure this is shaken up. I've got some, no, I'm not going to use that. I was going to use some emerald green, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to use some gold. I want to use some blue, which is Venetian blue from Modern Masters. And now I realize that I did not find myself a card. This is Purple Flash, which is color shifting from Folk Art. Now I've got all kinds of things, but I'm going to use a scrape dish, throw my dirty spatula in the bucket, do I really want to? No, I don't want to scrape that anywhere. I want to put it on the edge. All the way down. Full, no waste. Put my fingerprints in it. Now, I suppose that I could stop there and see what would happen by tipping. And maybe that's what I want to do. Because the heaviest part of that paint will drag the rest of it. So let's give it a shot. No better time than the present. This is without even torching. Don't think I'm going to keep any of that black, and I'm pretty sure I already had plenty of paint on here. But I am getting a bloom effect that I like, and I think I'm going to cheat and just use my palette knife and fill into the edge. Because I like that black negative space. And I don't want to tip it off. And I kind of leave my paints heavy because I use GAC 800 by Gold in all of my mixes. Including anything with Meeden in it. Or all of the Meeden paint. All of the black and white Meeden paint. Now I've got one more little spot over here that could use some black, and I think I'll just add that afterwards. I'm going to torch. I might blow this over the edge first. I kind of like the way that looks too. Maybe I'll just put a little bit of that paint in there right now. Now with the slight amount of water in it, it flows like ink. but it still has viscosity, which is really nice. My paint pouring recipe is underneath the video. once you open Show More. Those colors are the bomb. I'm really happy with this. That was pretty extraordinary and very bloom-like without any of the house paint mixture. And I'm going to try it again. If I have any gaps, I'll just stick my fingers in them. I torched to release the bubbles caught in the paint, trying not to hit my edge catcher because I will melt it. Thank you guys for the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. I really appreciate them. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting all this time. I really appreciate them too. If you'd like to be somebody who joins the monthly drawing for a chance to win some of my artworks, you can see the artworks that are up for grabs on the exhibition video on the end screen of any video in the last 20 seconds, along with the end screens. I love you guys. There's never very many people in the drawing, but they do contribute enough to help me buy purchase art supplies. Other good ways to support the studio and the production of videos are watching the videos longer, watching when the notifications come out, shopping my Amazon link, which is directly below the link tree, which is directly below the video. On my Amazon link, you can find not just the OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, best paint spreading tool I know of, but you can find my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. This is really neat. I'm not sure which way is up. I kind of want to show it to you the way that you might think it's up. Let's zoom in there. Those cells are amazing. Look at that. They're a little on the pastel side, but sometimes that's fine. Let's see if I can zoom in down there. Look at those. I got to use a smaller swipe card next time and see what happens. Anyway, I want to do it on black soon. Maybe I'll do that in a minute. You all are very well loved by me. Thank you so much for being here. If you're newly subscribed, please be welcomed. If you're not, thank you so much for still being here. If you're not subscribed at all, please subscribe. We'd love to have you. If you are interested in a Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group on Facebook, under the link tree is for students. And Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More has a shop now button that will take you to pixels.com and Fine Art America. All kinds of goodies there. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors is an album-laden Facebook group that has the YouTube artworks that have been edited so far. And what else? My link tree. Underneath my link tree is my email address, and you can contact me there to inquire about a class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. They're private and one-on-one. And or purchasing an artwork, use the hashtag and the file number from the title of the video, or send me a screenshot. Whatever you find, if you're interested in something, to have it printed, let me know, and I can add it to my Fine Art America pixels.com or Teespring Clothing, where there's all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. And you can see that down there above the video. On my link tree also, you'll find Pinterest, where I put videos that are about to be posted, that are about to be aired, and all the videos that have been aired, and all my merch. Instagram has got my daily videos, results, even if they're months out, they're the freshest art. And Twitter, I don't know what to do with Twitter. Twitter has the videos too. So, I love you guys. What am I forgetting? I don't know, 1,800 videos maybe? 18 lists of 100, maybe 1,900 soon. And they're organized by the 100 and by topic and genre. If you have questions, please ask me. If you're looking for my paint pouring recipe, it is underneath the video under Show More. If you have questions, like I said, please ask me. That's really funny, 1 black dot there. That's kind of cool too, though. All right, I will see you guys anon. I love you much. Bye for now. Don't forget, I post at 1:30 p.m. I almost forgot. And Friday, Saturday, and Sunday nights at 10 p.m. also. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out. See you anon.